So this week wasn't so much packed, but whatever there was were like major things. So we have the final release of the Snyder's Cut, and it's available worldwide. Then we got the first episode for the Falcon and the Winter Soldier. Then we got some news from Instagram about something they are making for the children specifically, and a lot more. My name is Mahi, and this is Gizmo Weekly, where we tell you all about what happened in the last week, all the top events in one video. So let's get started. So for the starters, we're gonna start with the biggest thing that happened in the week. That was the release of Zack Snyder's Justice League. It released on a video on demand in India, and it is available on Apple TV, Book My Show, and Google Play Movies. And it's available for rent at 150 bucks, and then it is available for 699 for buying, and that is just for the HD versions. There is no platform right now in India that's having the 4K version. So if you're going for the 4K version, I'm sad to tell you that most probably you'll have to go for torrents or something like that, because you just can't get the 4K version officially. Moving ahead, we got a news from Instagram that they're making an Instagram for children below the age of 13. So there have been, like, on our latest post, there were like mixed opinions that something that it is not a good idea, well, something that it is a good idea. For us, we think that that's like a good move, because like children under 13 are already using Instagram. Like, they're using it on their parents' phone, or parents are just hooking them up Instagram while they work. So having something for kids that does not have some videos on the reels that are not, right for the children to look at. And I guess you know what I mean if you have followed the trends the recently. So yeah, it's a good move, because YouTube for Kids works a lot better for children, and it saves them from a lot of things that they are not supposed to watch. And I guess this is a great move, but we'll have to see. Then we got the first episode for The Falcon and the Winter Soldier on Disney, and I have yet to watch it fully. And I watched it halfway and then I got something, so I'll watch it again and get you guys with the review of that. We got a trailer for a movie called The Big Bull from Amazon Prime, and it features Akshay Kumar, and it is based on Harshad Mehta's story. And if you have watched the Scam 1992, I guess you don't need to watch it, but then again, it's a movie, so if you want to, you can. And I'm gonna roll that trailer for you just after this.
इस देश में हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं। नकली प्रमोटर्स यूज कर सकते हैं, पुलिस को रिश्वत दे सकते हैं, मीडिया को धमका सकते हैं, लोगों को खरीद सकते हैं, कुछ भी कर सकते हैं। बस एक रूल है, पकड़े नहीं जा सकते।
भाभी जी से डांट नहीं खाए, इसीलिए।
अयो,
सोचिए कि लॉटरी लग गई है। कौन सी लॉटरी? स्टॉक मार्केट। तुक्का आणि दाव में बहुत फर्क है वीरेन। मैंने बहुत सोच समझ के जानकारी हासिल करके दाव लगाया।
ये जो सीक्रेट इंफॉर्मेशन इकट्ठा करके तुम मार्केट में इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो ना, इसे इनसाइडर ट्रेडिंग कहते हैं।
तुम नहीं पियो?
पीऊंगा, जब बेस्ट क्वालिटी का मिले तब पीऊंगा।
देखो, जब हेमंत इन्वॉल्व होता है तो कुछ ना कुछ तो होता ही है, लेकिन इस बार मैं आपको बता देता हूँ, बम फटने वाला है। बम। यस।
मुझे मिसिंग पैसे के बारे में पता है, पूरे 565 crores, and I'm doing a story on it. आपका स्टेटमेंट चाहिए?
मेरे शेयर की वैल्यू कहाँ तक ले जा सकता है? आपका शेयर इतिहास बनाएगा, लिख के दे सकता हूँ।
मुझे पर काटना आता है, अब तुम गिरने की आदत डाल दो हेमंत शाह।
मैंने इस शहर को इतना बदलता हुआ पहले कभी नहीं देखा। It's like India is reborn.
लेकिन मेरे आइडियाज के लिए मुझे इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट की नहीं, पॉलिटिकल सपोर्ट की जरूरत है। इनमें से कोई तो है जो हमारे सारी सीक्रेट लीक कर रहा है। कपड़े उतारो। अगर गवर्नमेंट और सिस्टम को मुझे पकड़ना है तो उन्हें अपनी स्पीड बढ़ानी।
समझा दे अपने भाई को कि बहुत ऊंची उड़ान भर रहा है, तो वो भी बिना पैराशूट के।
लेकिन एक दलाल ही है ना।
हेमंत भाई कोई टिप? भगवान से भी ज्यादा पैसे हैं हमारे पास।
डर है कि वो वापस करेगा और फिर रुकेगा नहीं।
इस सब का ये मतलब है कि इट्स योर वर्ड अगेंस्ट द प्राइम मिनिस्टर।
तुम्हें तो सच पता होना चाहिए, इंडिया का पहला बिलियनर मैं बनूंगा। मैं ना हो ना कोई और।
And then we have Venom, Let There Be Carnage, the movie being pushed back again to September 17, 2021 instead of the initial release that was supposed to be June 25th. And that is just sad because like I'm pretty much done with movies getting pushed back, but then again this year has been like, this year is packed with releases and I'm looking forward to that. Maybe we'll be releasing a video with all the release dates per month. If you need that, let us know in the comments below so we can make that content for you guys, so you guys don't have to refer to every site there is. Just figure it out, so we'll just round it up for the entire month and the start of it. So let us know in the comments below. So that was all for this week. As I said, it wasn't so much packed, but whatever there was, it was really significant. So yeah, we'll meet you on the next week, Gizmo Weekly. Till then, have a nice week. Meet you on the next one.